Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is the last trading day of week number 25. We're at June 25, week number 25 of the year. As you can see, the markets are at all-time high for the S&P 500. I think it's not for the Dow, and I don't think so for NASDAQ because it is down. But look at this. It's been trending so close, so it is possible for NASDAQ to also end up and be at all-time high. So we'll see how the market ends. Before we go straight to ETrade and doing some options trade, if you're on Facebook, join Investing 102. It's a Facebook group. You can talk to other investors and you can share what you're trading or some other tips and strategy that you're doing. We talk a little bit about everything, the stock market, dividends, options, real estate, insurance, crypto, a little bit of everything. So join me there. So now I am on my ETrade account. You will see something. I have a lot of these S&P Iron Condors and they're all red, which is really interesting because you see the markets are in one direction and these are red, which is good, which means they're losing value, not because of the directional bet, but because of the mathematical probability that it will either cross into this or this area. And we'll take a quick look. It has to fall all the way back down to under 400 or go up to 438. So let me show you what that would look like. And here's the S&P. If you see this at 438, which means you would need another 5 or 6 days like this in order to cross 438. And this option probably has about 21 days left. So what markets are now predicting is that the chances of the likelihood of that happening is reducing each day. And this is where time decay can work against you because the likelihood of that happening, even on an up day, the market is pricing it in where it's saying, let's lose some value here. And then you see on the put side, it's losing even further value because you're further away. So let's put this trade in. We only have 12 minutes left. I marked them all off. I'm gonna on ETrade. You'll see you just have to mark off all the legs. I pick all the ones with the same, the 9 contract with the same expiration. Hit the close button. You'll see the cost. It will cost me about 52 or 53 cents. We'll start at 53. If not, we'll move it up. You see how much it's going to cost me to close these. But I collected the premium up front, so I should have made money on this. Let's see if it'll go. If not, let's just move it 1 penny. No use arguing over 1 cent or 2 cents. It's not a lot of money in the big scheme of things. $10, $20 is not a lot if you're making $300, $400 or $500 on these trades. And there you go. You see that? It went across. Now they may have broken up into multiple lots, so it may look weird. You see that? It'll look weird for right now, but it went across. So I just wanted to show you that. That was a lot of 9. So I'm going to put on a new Iron Condor, August 6th. I'm using a free 90 442. Real quickly, what that tells you is a free 90 is a minus 10 delta, 1% chance roughly. And then on the other side of this, I'm looking at a 442, which is a 13 delta or roughly 17% chance. In exchange, I will collect about 111 cents per contract. I'm going to do 9 minus commission is $1,000. So let's put that in. I only have like 3 minutes to get this order in. If you want to see the buying power, here you go. It will reduce everything back down. The impact is here. Okay, I just looked at the wrong one. That looks fine now. Let me just put that in. And just like that, it went across. You will see it. Here goes the 9. I was lowering the price from 115 down to 110. And here you go. You'll see it. It went across. And I barely have 5 minutes left to the end of close. Market ended. And here you go. Markets were pretty much where they were when we started trading 20 minutes ago. So this looks really good. My 401k plan will look really nice this weekend as we're at all-time highs for the S&P 500. I did do some trades around the SPY, so I did that. I did move up my untested side on the Visa, so I did that. I'm going to look for more trades next week and see what happens. A lot of good stuff to do. Edit task is moving faster than I want. I actually rolled it twice this week, and I'm already in the money. Anyway, hey, let me know how your trading is going this week. Again, this is week number 25. Comment below, like, share this. Again, if you have friends who are traders or want to trade, make sure you forward these videos to them so they can see them. As always, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time and have a profitable day. Bye-bye.